For this week's projects, log into the class Tinkercad account and click on Resources, Learning Center, View All, and the exercises you'll be doing this week are the buttons: basic button, duffel button, flower button, heart button, and skull button. You'll complete the exercises and print the models. Remember, when it's time to print the model, just reopen the exercise and click Export and click STL. That will download a file that we can slice and print. I'll click the Tinkercad icon to go back to my dashboard. Click on Resources, Learning Center, View All, and continue with the next model that I want to download. Export STL, and so on until all of the buttons are downloaded. Now to slice the model, open FlashPrint, click File, Load File, go to your Downloads folder and find one of the files that you downloaded, in this case the basic button. Open. It's small, but that's what you would expect for a button, right? So with the model selected, I'm going to click Move and click on Platform and Center to make sure everything is properly located, and I'm rotating to look at the bottom of the model to verify that it's solid blue in color, indicating that the model is flat on the print bed, the print surface. Now I'll click Start Slicing, click Restore Defaults to make sure there aren't any hidden changes that will surprise me. I'm going to click on Raft just to make sure that's turned off. It's fine if you print with a raft, the raft will come right off, but since this is a completely flat model, it shouldn't need a raft. I'll click Slice, Slice Preview, and there it is. 2 minutes, so a very short print. Now I'll click Download and save it to a USB drive and plug the drive into the printer and print. Click Close. I'm going to click on Edit and then click on Delete to get rid of that model. And I'll move on to the next one. File, Load File, Duffel button. Okay. And again, I'll click Move on Platform, Center, and then rotate around to make sure that it's flat on the bottom, indicated by the blue coloration. And I also notice now that there are some red areas, and now that is indicating areas of overhang that need supports. If you look at the model from the side, you can see that the bottom curvature is quite steep, and without supports, that filament would just be printing in midair and droop down. So we don't want that to happen. So we could add supports, but if you examine the model, there's an easier solution because the side of the model is completely flat. So all I need to do is click Rotate, and then I want to rotate along the green axis here. The axes are color-coded in the menu, so the green is the y-axis, and if I just click 90 degrees and then unclick Rotate, click off the model, and now if I look around the model, I can see that it's completely flat and solid blue on the bottom. There are no red areas indicated, so I don't need any supports. Again, click Start Slicing. I don't need a raft, but if you use one, that's fine. Slice, Slice Preview, this model will take 5 minutes. Again, these are small models, small prints. They're meant to be life-size buttons, which are very tiny. So the nice thing is they print quickly. So once again, save the file to a thumb drive, plug the thumb drive into your printer, and print the model. So follow the same basic procedure for the remaining buttons and print them all out. And post photos of your prints in the corresponding discussion topic.